Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this tiny flower, this beautiful tiny flower. You can place it on your baby booty and or use it to accessorize any of your large projects. If this is a tutorial you'll be interested in, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this project, I'll be using 4.5mm crochet hook, 4.5mm crochet hook, double strands of yeye yarn, our Nigerian yeye yarn, scissors and tapestry needle for cutting. So I'll be starting this project with a magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. Yarn over twice and insert your hook. Yarn over once, insert your hook. Bring out 2 loops. Yarn over for the 3rd time, insert your hook and bring out the loop. Yarn over and bring out 2 loops. Yarn over, bring out 2 loops. Yarn over and bring the rest of the loops out like this. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 3. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook and bring out the loops. Yarn over, bring out 2 loops. Bring out 2 loops. Yarn over the 3rd and last time. Bring out 2 loops. Bring out 2 loops and bring out the rest of the loops. Chain 3. Slip stitch into this magic ring. So I'm going to be repeating this in the total of 5. 1, 2. We're going to be making 3 more. Chain 1. So we have total of 5 petals. Fasten off the ring and cut off your yarn here. Fasten off. So this is what you should have right now. So now you are going to gently tie these 2 loops at the back. Cut off your yarn. So this is what you should have. Look at how beautiful our tiny flower is. So I'm going to, if you're making a baby dress, blanket or anything and don't accessorize it, just simply attach it to your project like this. You can make several colors or single colors like this and attach it to your beautiful project. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.